Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Boku Mobile Payments. Review my usage experience. Boku Mobile Payments. Review my usage experience offers a mobile payment gateway service that allows businesses and individuals to receive payments directly through their mobile phones. It's primarily targeted towards businesses that want a streamlined and convenient payment processing solution, particularly those dealing with smaller transactions or international payments. Key features likely include secure payment processing, various payment options, and potentially integration with existing business systems. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. Boku's positioning appears to be focused on ease of integration and a wider global reach compared to traditional payment gateways. Their website highlights the ease of use and emphasizes security features. They claim no hidden fees, though specific pricing details would need to be checked on their site. The technology appears to leverage mobile carrier networks for secure payment processing. Availability is likely dependent on mobile carrier support and geographic location. Checking their website is recommended for specifics. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Boku Mobile Payments. Review my usage experience. I used Boku to receive payments for my freelance graphic design work. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The onboarding process involved creating an account, verifying my business details, and linking my mobile number. The interface was clean and intuitive. It took me less than 15 minutes to set up everything. I really liked how easy it was to generate payment links to send to my clients. The payments processed smoothly. I received notifications promptly when a payment was successfully received. Overall, the speed and reliability were excellent. I did have a quick question about adjusting the payment currency, and their support responded within a day via email, efficient and helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to easily track my transactions and generate reports. The standout feature for me was definitely the simplicity of the payment link generation process. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Managing payments through a web browser only was slightly inconvenient at times. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Boku Mobile Payments. It simplified my payment process considerably and provided a reliable, secure way to receive payments. That's my overview of Boku Mobile Payments. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.